Want to know how to switch to Facebook basic version? You would want to switch to Facebook basic version as it uses less data compared to the standard app or website. Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Online Help Guide, and today I'll walk you through the process of how to switch to Facebook basic version. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. Firstly, open the Play Store app on your screen. Then tap on the magnifying glass icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on the search bar and search for the Facebook Lite. Likewise, tap on the install button. It might take a few seconds for it to be downloaded. Tap on the open button. Finally, log into your Facebook account and you can switch to your Facebook basic version. So this is how to switch to Facebook basic version. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.